start. Captain Kiki, can you deliver fireworks fuel? Count on me. Whoa! Be sure to load all fireworks fuel onto the ship. Show is about to start. Let's hurry. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. Go. The destination is in sight. The sea fog here is thick. Be careful. There are so many bats. Let's get rid of them. Great! You are outside the foggy area safely. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. Keep sailing. Let's go. Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. We are about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. Keep sailing. Let's go. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him. I will get you. Kiki. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. We're about to put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. The fireworks show is about to start. Let's hurry. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. There is a hole in the hovercraft. It's leaking. Let's fix the hole. The hole is fixed. Let's inflate the hovercraft. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your reward. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the sailboat have been collected. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. The fireworks show is right ahead. Captain Kiki, let's make fireworks. Pour the fuel into the fireworks machine. Let's see what kind of fireworks will be made. Let's set off fireworks. Great job. Here is your reward. Wow, you've got many rewards.